In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a size chart in Wix. This straightforward guide will help you enhance your online store by providing size information clearly and efficiently to your customers, improving their shopping experience and reducing the likelihood of returns due to sizing errors. First, let's navigate to the Wix website by visiting the home page. Once you are on the main page, hover your cursor over the catalog option. This step is crucial because the catalog houses all your products, and it's essential to start here to access the products to which you want to add your size chart. Next, click on Store Products. By doing this, you'll find yourself looking at a list of all the products available in your online store. This is your inventory management center where you can handle each product's details individually. Now you need to select the specific product that you want to enhance with a size chart. Take your time to locate the product, as the following steps will directly apply to the selected item, providing your customers with the necessary size information they require. Once you have your product selected, the next step is to click on Add an Info section. This feature allows you to add additional details that may not be included in the standard product description. The size chart will serve as this additional information, which is essential for your customers to make informed purchasing decisions. In the section for additional information, type the word size as a placeholder. This action sets up the framework for your size chart content, giving you a starting point to enter the necessary details. Next, you'll see a column icon. Click on this icon to structure the size chart's format. The importance of this step rests on providing a clear, organized table that outlines the size options for your products, ensuring your shoppers have all the necessary data at a glance. You should now add the number of rows and columns you want. This decision will depend on how detailed your size chart needs to be. Consider the number of size variations and any other dimensions you need to include, such as width or length. After structuring the basic layout, click on None in any unnecessary fields to simplify your chart's appearance. This will help maintain clarity and prevent any confusion for your customers. Following that, click on Row. This step is just a simple action to formalize your chart for data entry. Once you're happy with your setup, click on OK to confirm your selections and proceed to the next step of your size chart creation. Now you need to edit the column. This is where you'll enter the specific size options relevant to your product, such as small, medium, and large. Further, fill in the applicable size dimensions by adding width and length. Be precise and adjust the numbers to align with the actual measurements of your products. The more accurate you are here, the more helpful the chart will be for your customers. Finally, complete your size chart setup by clicking on OK. This action saves your changes and integrates the size chart into the product page seamlessly. Now your customers can view this essential information with ease, enhancing their shopping experience by helping them choose the right size first time around. That's all there is to it. Your product on Wix now features a custom size chart, and you're well on your way to offering a more customized shopping experience.